This is the brief on turning social media into real income. Right now, ordinary people are making actual money online, and they're doing it without millions of followers, just relying on pure strategy. So what does this actually mean for someone starting from absolute scratch? Well, it means building a step-by-step foundation. First, you gotta choose just one platform and one valuable topic. Now you might ask, why not just be everywhere at once? Honestly, that's kind of like trying to learn 5 languages at the exact same time. You'll just end up totally exhausted and confused. Instead, focus on a single audience and become known for solving their specific problems. Second, once you have your platform, you need the right material. Create content that teaches, entertains, or solves problems. Is aggressive selling the quickest way to make a buck? No way. Delivering value first is what actually builds the trust you need for folks to listen to your recommendations. Your audience is literally your biggest asset, so reply to comments and stay consistent every single week. Finally, we turn that trust into revenue. You've got platform ads, affiliate commissions, and brand sponsorships, but selling your own digital products? That's the real game changer. Relying solely on platform ads is like renting your income, whereas selling your own digital products is like owning the real estate. This whole process definitely doesn't happen overnight. Forget that overnight viral wealth myth, because relentless consistency is the single dividing line between successful creators and everyone else. By starting today, learning, and staying consistent, social media can truly transform into a powerful, real-life income source.